now we are starting our fourth question. In the fourth question it is given about the subject degree, it is given central angle, it is given of different subject English, Hindi, science, SST and mathematics. So in the total marks it is given, the total marks obtained by the student were 540. The total marks it is given of all the subject, it is how much? 540. So it is given total marks obtained, it is given for us, it is how much? 540. Now we are solving the first one. In the first question they have given, in which subject did the student score 105 marks? So see, we can find what the central angle we will find. It is given that a student has score how much? Score of a subject it is given, score of the subject it is given in the first part 105, but they haven't told in which subject the student has got the 105 marks. So first what we will do, we will find the central angle here, whose central angle will match here, that will be the our subject. So here we will find the central angle for this one. So we know the formula for finding the central angle: value of a component upon total value, sum of all the values. Sum of all the values it is given, total marks 540, so what will come? 540. And be noted the complete angle is 360 degrees, so what will come? 360. Here will come, will cancel this with the 18, we will cancel this 2 time and this 3 time, with the 3 we will cancel this 35 time, and 35 into 2 is how much? 70 degree. So here we will match which subject is having the 70 degree. So see, 70 degree, this one is for Hindi. So here in Hindi the student has got 105 marks. So this is our first part. Now we are starting the second part, and in the second part it is given how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than Hindi. So see, mathematics and Hindi, so Hindi already been that, in Hindi marks of Hindi it is already we know, it is how much? 105. But marks of mathematics we don't know, but we know the formula, that central angle equals to how much? Value of component upon sum of all values of component into 360 degree. So see, central angle for the, we are finding for the mass, we are finding for the mass, we will see here for mathematics how much it is given? 90 degree. So central angle it is given 90 degree, value we have to find, total it is given how much? 540 into how much? 360. So this 0 0, this how many time? 3 time, and this 2 time. We have to find the value, or we can say that here value or the marks. So value what we will get, that value, with the value we will see this 3 is where in divide, so on other side it will come where in multiply. So this 3 will come here in the multiply, here this 2 is there with the value in multiply, so it will come where in divide. So it will cancel how many time? 45 time. So it will come how much? 135. So here marks of mass scheme how much? 135. So they have asked how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi. So more marks obtained by the student. So see, in mathematics how many? 135. In Hindi how much? 105. So more marks they have asked, how many more marks the student has obtained. So we know that 135 and 105 we will subtract, so we will get the more. So it will come how much? 30. So 30 marks more obtained by the student. Now in the third part they have told, examine whether the sum of marks obtained in social science and maths is more than in science and Hindi. So they have asked whether the social science and math marks sum is more than the sum of the science and Hindi. See, mathematics we know that marks of maths we already know how much 135 marks of Hindi, we already know 105, and now we have to find the marks of social science and the science. So how we will find the marks of social science? With the same method. Here with the central angle, value of component upon sum of the value of component into 360. So here also we apply the same formula for the marks of science. For the social science, the central angle it is given 65. So what will come? 65 degree equal 65 degree equal value upon total, it is given how much? 540 into 360 degree. See, it will cancel 2 time with the 18 and it will cancel 3 time. Again we will transfer. So what will happen? This 65, 3 is where, and here with the value in the divide, so here it will come where? In the multiply, and 2 will come where? In the divide. So now we will multiply. It will come how much? 195 divided by 2, and we will divide with the 2. So it will come how much? Now we will divide this one with the 2. So how much it will come? 97.5. Degree will not come, the marks will come, because this is the marks of social science. Now we will find the marks for science. So the same way, for the science, central angle it is given 80 degree. This science it is given how much? 80 degree. So central angle, value of component upon sum of all the value of the component, it is given how much? 540, and angle is how much? 360 degree. So it will cancel 2 time and this 3 times. See, again and again we will not divide, because in the first part we have divided this 540 and 360. So we know that it is came 2 and 3 times. So again and again no need, directly you will write the 2 and 3 time and we will cancel this one. Now we will transfer on the other side. So this 3 is where? In divide with the value. So here it will come in the multiply, and this is in the multiply, so it will come where? In divide. So we'll cancel this 40. So how much it will come? 120. So this is the marks of science. Now come on the question. See, sum of marks obtained in social science and maths. We have to find the sum of social science and maths. In social science, how many marks are there? 97.5 plus. In maths, how much are there? 135. So what will come? 135. We will add this one. So 0.5. So it will come how much? 232.5. Now we will find the sum of, in the question is given, we have to find the sum of science and Hindi. In science we have find out how much? 120 is there, and in Hindi it is given how much? 105. So 105. So we will add this one. So it will come how much? 225. So the question they have asked, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than the science and Hindi. So see, it is 232 is what? More than 225. So we'll write as it is more than. So here we have completed the question number 4. Now the question number 5th. Question number 5th is homework for you, and example number 1 and 2 is also homework for you.